YouTube, your girl Marcy to be here. Now, one thing you may not know about me is that the Real Housewives of Atlanta is one of my favorite guilty pleasures. I especially love checking out Cynthia Bailey's ever-changing iconic hairstyles. So when I saw that cappuccino curl she was rocking in one of the recent episodes, knew I was gonna have to try and recreate that look for myself. This quick crochet unit was created using a $2.99 wig cap purchased at my local beauty supply store, hot water set on the Bobbi Boss King Braid in color T 27613, and a little bit of hair I had left over from some other projects. That'll do it for this quick recreation, and I hope I did Cynthia proud. YouTube, please post any questions, comments below. You know I'll get right back at you. I'm out for now though. You know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.